Here's everything you need to know about Soft 99's Fuso Coat 12 months. Trusted by over 10 million car owners worldwide, Fuso Coat is the best-selling Soft 99 product in history. This wax utilizes a safe admixture of PTFE-based technology to deliver stunning shine, great water and oil repellency, and year-round paint protection. Open the can, dip the applicator in water, then wring it out. The element of moisture will help you apply the wax more smoothly. Apply the wax using a crisscross motion, working panel by panel. After 5 to 8 minutes, white residue will start to appear. It's a telling sign that it's time to grab a microfiber and start polishing. Polish slowly in a circular motion, frequently changing the sides of the microfiber or using another one. Once you're done, you can enjoy 12 months of unbeaten water repellency, easier car maintenance, and some amazing anti-weather protection and shine. We hope you liked our How to Apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.